got these two going in the oven. These two small ones. I put them on a cookie sheet because those little pans were so thin. I'm gonna set my timer. Okay, all right. Welcome back. I didn't wipe off my dish before I put it in the oven. So it's got a little flour around the edges, but I'm gonna get that off. I don't like it to not look pretty. Thank y'all for jumping back on. I made this pan pie this morning. In case y'all didn't see my video this morning, I made this video this morning. This is a chicken pan pie. I just got it out of the oven, and I had told y'all that I set the timer for 30 minutes. I cooked it 35 minutes. I wanted it a little browner. I don't know if y'all can see or not. If you want it browner than that, just leave it in there another 5 minutes. But that's what I wanted. It actually is a little browner than what it looks like on camera. And I've got 2 more little ones in the oven. I got 2 more to put in there after those come out. But it really smells good. I'm gonna cut into it and show y'all. I'm trying to think if I want to use this one, or I think I'll just use a spoon. I'll use my spoon where the sauce. Now, when I dip into this, it's going to be a little runny. When it sits for a little bit and it gets cool, it will get thicker. I haven't got into it yet, but I know that's how it is. I'm gonna try to get some of that crust on the bottom, and I don't want a lot. I forgot to take a picture of it. See, it's still a little liquid, but I like it that way because when it sits, it gets thicker. Like I said, I forgot to take a picture, but it's no big deal. I'll take a picture with it. Oh, it smells so good. I can smell that celery in it. I'm gonna taste my crust. Thank you, Jesus. It is so good. It is so good. I'm gonna write the recipe down. I was just thinking, you know, I gotta write this recipe down. And then I happen to remember, I don't even have this recipe written down myself. I do this as I go. So I'm gonna go back through and I'll have to write it down before I can even type it to give it to y'all, because I don't have this recipe. You know what? I have made this on camera before, on video before. So if y'all compare that recipe to the one I'm going to put on there, it might be a little bit different because I don't write these recipes down. I didn't look and see if it's in our cookbook or not, but we don't have any more cookbooks, so this is very good. I'm fixing to eat the rest of this off camera, but I wanted to show y'all. How it looked when I got it out of the oven. And it's delicious. That crust is so good. I could just eat the crust by itself. It's so good. I hope that y'all have a good day. I will post this recipe, but you got to give me a few minutes because first of all, I got to write it down for myself, and then I'll type it and post it, and I'll take a picture of this and post it. And I've got those little ones in the oven, and I'll probably cook them 25 minutes because they are smaller. And after it cools off, then I will take it to someone. A real good friend of mine from church is she's in rehab right now. She had a stroke, and she has a husband. So I'm going to find out if she would like for me to bring her one and her husband, but she's in rehab, so I don't know I know they feed them there, but I don't know. She might want one. I'll have to find out. But anyway, I'm going to share some of it. Of course, I'll share this too. But I'm going to give you the recipe for this, for a 9 by 13. Then you can take it and hack that if you want to. I doubled it. So it depends on how much you want to make. But this is good left over. I'm telling you. That's why I'm saying it will thicken up when it sits for a while. It will thicken up. And matter of fact, when you take it out of the refrigerator and dip you some, it will be really thick. But time you put it in the microwave or the oven to warm it up, it gets back with that broth again. I don't like mine dry. That's why I put a lot of that sauce in mine. So, love y'all. Thank you so much for jumping back on here and staying with me while I made this pie. And I made the crust. I put the recipe on our page yesterday for this crust. So if you want the crust, go back and watch the video, and also the recipe is posted. So thank you much. I hope y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day. Don't forget to count your blessings. And I'm not sure when I'll jump back on. I can tell you now, it won't be tomorrow. I do have some other things I need to do. But I've got in my mind, I'm not going to tell you what it is, because it seems like whenever I say what I'm going to do, it pops up all over the place, the same thing. So I'm not going to tell you, but I've got a pie recipe that I've never made before, and I'm thinking about making it on camera. But it will be for Sunday, so it will be Saturday before I post it, because I want it to be fresh for Sunday. So if I'm able, I'm going to do that. So I am doing so much better. Thank y'all so much for your prayers. I'm telling you, God hears your prayers, and I really appreciate it. So thank you much. Thank you for all the love, the stars, the hearts, your comments. I appreciate all of it. Love y'all. I don't know if there'd be any questions. Bye, everyone. Love y'all. Bye-bye. It is good, Wanda.